We're back for match play today. We got 5 games off. Actually, it's best of 5, so no guarantees we will 5. Hopefully it's only 3, and hopefully in my favor. But like I said yesterday, my luck's not great. So we're gonna try a couple different things. And we'll see what happens.
First match went pretty well. Shot 300. Gotta let those good feelings kind of settle down because you got more bowling to do. So next match is best of 3, I think, right? I don't know who I'm bowling, but try to keep up the pace. Should be good.
You can't outbowl bad ball reaction, and I don't care what anyone says, I don't care if you bowled the tournament, no one had worse ball reaction than me. My strike percentage for, how many games did I bowl? 13, for 13 games. For 10 games, my strike percentage was probably 7. I bowled 780 for 3 of my games, that got me in the gut. I had the best ball reaction for 3 games, I had the worst for 10. I had every chance in the world. I definitely bowled better than my opponent, but like I said, you cannot outbowl bad ball reaction. And the one ball I needed to throw, didn't want to come off my hand the right way, so I think it's time to get a new ball driller. We're moving on.
Moving on, title match. It's a new experience. It's good stuff.
But it's still bowling.
Still bowling, yeah. Still bowling. Do the same thing, kind of sort of same game plan, and stick with the urethane. And RST is probably the backup ball, but we'll see how it goes.
Shank v. Shannon in a heavyweight bout for the title in Modesto, California, Yosemite Lanes, where the lanes are on fire. And I'm thinking it's going to be a urethane battle. Our boy's bowling for his first title. Tez is bowling for his second. Should be exciting. Cheering for Tez, but it's my boy. Gotta cheer for my boy. It was close, he made the shot. Sometimes it's just not your time. But when it is your time, you'll know. But that guy's sick.
Congratulations, man.
I appreciate it.
Give me my speech real quick, and I'll get out of your face.
I used the pitch black in the title match. That ball.
You got a cool trophy that Fitz wishes he could have.
Stealing it right now. Just try to pull out my Tang kind of skills.
No, because I didn't have it this week, so it wasn't a thing.
Thank you, Darren.
All right. Okay. Well, congrats again.
Thanks, man.
We love seeing you win. Well, quite the experience.
So close. It was an experience. I felt definitely got the jitters the last shot, but
well done. On to bigger and better things, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go get some food.
Oh, well, yeah. Well, I mean, as far as bowling,
yeah.
Stepping stones.
We are getting closer, and that's all that matters.
You bowled plenty good. I mean, of course, you pick up the spare, you're in a much better position to have a chance, but I thought you bowled a really good game. Sometimes the pins fall, sometimes they don't.
Sometimes they don't, man. It's all right, we'll get them next time.
You'll know when it's your time.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget we're doing a 100,000 subscriber giveaway if we hit it by December 31st. So if you would like a chance to win a bowling ball, I'm gonna give away 100 of them in 2023 if we hit that goal. So hit that sub button if you guys are interested in something like that. If not, it saves me a little bit of work, but we gotta give back.
Peace.